Hello, how are you? My name is Masharia, and today I'm here for a very specific purpose. Yes, I know the K.C.P.E is around the corner, and due to the purposes of mathematics, that's why I'm here. And I know so many people out there say that mathematics is very hard to understand and to tackle. But today I'm here to tell you that mathematics is the simplest paper and the easiest paper you can pass because you always have the answers of the questions asked. Because to me, I always say that mathematics is playing with numbers or playing with figures. So today I have very specific topics or subtopics if you wish to call them so. So sit down, relax, be with me, have a pen and a paper, be attentive, and I know the last minute can save one. So be very attentive, be keen, and let's start. So from my view, uh, I know and I have done my research. There are those topics that examiners have very high chances of repeating them, asked them severally. And uh, to me, let's start with those questions that in almost each and every paper, there must be that question. So, like mostly in number one of the mathematics K.C.P.E paper, most of them test about the numbers. They either will ask you to one, write a figure given written in digits, you write it in words, or you are given a question of a number written in words, you write in figures, or the place value of a given number in a particular given figure. E.g., you've been given 310, you are being told to specify in which place value is 1. Okay? There is another thing. They can give you the numbers, either two numbers in words, and they tell you to sum up to find the place value of a given number when summed up or subtracted. Yeah. So I have several examples here, and we shall start with the first one. To write the numbers in words. Yes, that's very simple. Given 600,000 and 3. It's just the way it's being spoken. All right. Then, given the same question, but now the question is written in word. How do you go about that? So 2,600,003. It's very simple. You'll start by writing from the highest number given. So in our case, the highest number is 2 million. So you shall write 2 million, then you add. The second highest is 600,000, then you add. The third highest, which are zeros, and then to the least, which is 3. So you shall add 6,000, no, sorry, 2 million plus 600,000 plus 3, so that you get the number in digits. So also about the place values of numbers. Yes, you've been given a number with decimal places. You've been told to specify the place value of a number. So if given a number with a decimal place, from the decimal point towards your right hand side, yes, you start by tens. There is no ones in decimals. So you start with tens, hundreds, thousands, etc., etc. And from the decimal point toward your left hand side, you start with ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, etc., etc. So it's very easy. If you know from the decimal point towards your right hand side what you to start with, and from the decimal point to the left hand side what to start with. So that's very simple. And those are some of the ways that you can be able to tackle a question of numbers. Yes. So given in words, you write in numbers. You start by the highest, then you add until to the smallest. Given in words, even in numbers you write in words. That's very simple. You write the way it sounds. 2 million, etc. So given in decimal places, know from the decimal point how to go about it. From decimal places, decimal point to, from decimal point towards your right hand side, you start by tens, etc., etc. Towards your left hand side, it's ones. Okay. Also, there is another crucial point. There are some examiners who are nowadays asking about the sum of a digit, e.g. in thousands, yes, e.g. in thousands, and given in thousands, you write that number in thousands. If a number is in million, you write it in millions. Alright? So up to that juncture, I know I've helped somebody about numbers. Let's go to topic number 2. Topic number 2, it's about service areas or areas. How do you calculate areas? Before we go, how do we calculate about areas? What's an area? Yes. What are the initials of an area? Yes. And there is a difference between an area and the circumference. Differentiate the two. So circumference, it's all round. It's all round.